I started joining groups which are created by ISA, which is Indian Student Association in the university, and for the which helped me find a room. There was a college fund student who wanted to join in spring 19. He came with me, so we both decided about the room. We met through college fund group. So basically, WhatsApp groups help you finding room and roommates. What I would suggest is if you don't have your name in list, it's better because like I wanted to come to India right now and I have my name on list. So I have to find someone else to replace me or else I might have to pay full rent. Base rent without any utilities or water, it's 555 something per room. So it's going to be 1100 something for a full house. If you want to go somewhere from the bus route, they take you free if you have the Comet card. For utilities, like again, I have done some research and found the minimum amount to be paid for Wi-Fi and electricity, which is $50 and $60. 60 for electricity, 50 for Wi-Fi. We have one more expense, which is water bill, which is approx $120 per month, which is much more than any other apartments. It can go up to 150 or 90, so average 120. We can go to Walmart and other grocery stores on Fridays and Sundays from college bus, which will take you to Walmart. People joining from Mumbai University will find difficulties in exams because over there I took 4 subjects and all the 4 exams were completed in 5 days. Whereas students from in Mumbai University will have 1 exam in a week or in 6 days. You can reach before 30 days of your course, starting of the course, and for student, I believe 15 days should be a good time before joining before 15 days. Whereas for spring student, I would say from my experience, don't go during the time of Christmas from 24th, 25th to 1st. Either you should go before Christmas starts or after New Year. If you want to attend a college, if you want to register for subjects, you will have to attend. It's mandatory. Basically, average we can take it at 45 students per class. It differs 40 to 60. Mostly it's 45, and so like for the subjects like marketing management, we have only 65% of students Indians and Chinese Asians, whereas for the class like statistics, we have 95% like approx Indians and Chinese. It differs from subject to subject. If we consider experience of 1 year, 2 years, it's more than 80% people have experience. Apart from the last month, I was fully indulged into all the extracurricular activities. Like I was volunteering for the 2 events, and I did the fashion shows for twice in 3 months. Also, I played occasionally soccer and gyms.